talking about the Politricks watch. Issue Sir B. Following up closely on the heels of the Pastor DNA video. We have another Pastor video. This time we have a Don turned pastor, Killy turned pastor who has now been killed. But I'm telling you why this is significant, and it is a real life example of why when people tell us that, well, to stop the war in the community, we're gonna like get JJ Nakis and bigger crime to join like a social intervention program, and then when time them turn them life around, then the crime will go stop. For years, may I tell you now, the fatal flaw in that Dreamland scenario. Heavy on the fatal. Because I'm telling you, say no Apex 87. No Big Dan. Nobody way it Hotter Road and make no bag of people ban them belly and shed your water. Now come change no life. Right, a man make that gateway. Me tell you, say the reason why your program is doomed to fail is not because the program itself can't work. It's because the 87 who are going to join it will be a sitting duck. No gunman, no fool enough to go join no social intervention program and go sit down in a no workplace. Go sit down for no look at corner with something with the program game to say, alright, do this now. You people have lost your mind. That only works in Winnipeg. That works in classrooms. This is what happens when the theory don't match the practical. How can Nevada Hodges will make how much woman, how much man, how much pitney, how much cousins, nieces and nephews ban them belly and roll in the dirt? Join a program and about him turn your life, and people make that pass and people make that slide. But well, him change him life now, so everything good. Everything good. Him go and get a good 9 night. And a good 1 day and a 3 day and a candlelight and be a balloon at the sky. I'm not going to talk about it. Pastor Michael Spencer, a man who talk about him own a mouth, say he was a Don. What I thought, I make you hear him and say, this is the pastor right there, so check it out.
Tell this young man, whatever you're in, you can come out. Me was on the devil advocate. Notorious. Me I tell you, they sick, they're dead. If me not kill you, me send come kill you. Family have to run away. Family have to, everybody have to run away, because we have to declare the whole family. Amen? And I tell you, God change me. So, oh, you change me, he can change you. So I tell you, I encourage you to come out of that and come in. If they feel like you're in the community, you can't turn about it. Let your community and go on different community to change. Because if he can change me, he can change you.
Man of God, I love how you say that, because sometimes we have to relocate, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have to relocate for a change the environment, a change of mind.
Yeah.
So you heard it for yourself. Michael Spencer, I tell you to him, say, listen, you can change your life and you can turn in your life. All that is fine and well in a guy. I've never told you to say no man can't leave things alone. I've never said that. I told you the fatal flaw with these Dreamland scenarios. Because if somebody really want to do something, then can try. Enough man take up badness, try one thing, drop a jail all one time and say, no man, this is enough for me. Matter of fact, some man just the driving at the police jeep alone is enough to make him say, yo, this is enough for me in the dog. Don't need them something here. But that's not the type of person I'm talking about when I'm telling some of the programs not gonna work. Because that's not the type of person who make the murder charge skyrocket. You're not listening. The type of 87 who not talk about are some look try a thing, follow back a man. Right, I try to look at one strength and a one eye 87. That's not who keep Iron Man on the murder charts. It is the mass murder in 87 with all 7, 10, 15 victims to him named. That the youth they can't join no program And don't tell me about him going to turn on his life. Because even if he wants to turn on his life, this is the outcome. Why do you think 87th like Nevada Hodges, them final days, was just counting down the clock to when him finally dead? Life not even worth living anymore, because even when you tell yourself, say, you know what? But done with them life, you know, dog. The people them where you kill, them not done with you. It nah go so, guy. It nah go so. Pastor Michael Spencer make enough people ball. And now feeding people my ball. That is the reality of crime and violence. We don't watch too much show. We don't watch Hollywood show and see man a big notorious mass murdering gunman, and then him find one little work and turn around meet him wife and live happily ever after. And when he say, oh, I saw it work. Wake up, guy. Anybody you see tell you that story, they're exaggerating their notoriety. JJ Knockis can't go get nowhere and change his life, even if he wants to. This is why I told you the outcome for Apex 87. The only man them will get to with them something there, a man they run a guy foreign. But if them dep on Ironman soil, whichever job him get, whichever school him go, whichever church him go join, you better make sure you're in a congregation the day the money come for him. Because shut up go fly. Rrr. Pastor Michael Spencer, self-declared done. You must say you they can change your life. We're not talking about cure, I'm talking about prevention. I'm telling you, you nobody go down that road in the first place. Because when you decide to change your life and say you want to make a next turn, the man them will war with. No business about that. You think you're gonna run up in a man house and fire off 100 rounds, kill man picnic, kill man granny, and then go baptize Sunday morning and change life, and the man them see her walk past near church clothes every day and say, well, him change him life now, so everything good. You go and get a good night. You don't have to like what I say. You don't have to agree. But judge the outcomes. How much time when you hear me say that? What is the outcome? You think Tesha Miller can go my baptize and change life and Spanish town people them say, well, alright, Tesha change now, so I can left Tesha alone. Straight in front of the church, the man lay him out. You think black man can drop back from prison and tell man about, yo dog, right now when I'm in that prison, I read my Quran, and right now I just convert to Islam. So right now my head is on a different level. His head is also going to be on a stick right in front of a shopping center, Spanish Town. That's where his head is also going to be. Me say, Michael Spencer, widow, I mentioned say, you know, she hope the killers them turn on for them life and join church. Understand this. When you tell man about you change your life and you're no longer the same person, how that bring back my granny? I'm giving you the real world now. Forget about your classrooms and your theories. You run up in a man place, murder man daughter, murder man son, murder man granny, you murder him father and him mother. Now you tell him say you change your life. You know what he's thinking? That's cute. But how that bring back my son? How that bring back my daughter? A matter of fact, thank you very much. Because now I know if I will find you every Sunday. I wonder if you're listening to me. When you say you change your life and go and get work in a supermarket, Dooley, thank you. Now we know where to find you. Because before we would up and down and look for you. But now we know where to find you. Now we even know what time you left work. Now we know what time you start work. Now because you're in the same place every day, we can all come for you, miss, and come back the next day as you saw with Dooley. That don't happen in the 87 world. Because when you miss a man, you might not see him again. When you make off on 87 and you miss, you might not see him again. But when that 87 gonna get one work, guess what work come with? Time. 9 to 5, 8 to 4. What time the place lock? 6:30. I shall be there by 6:25. Just like Shabarangs. I'll up all of the gun them. You saw what happened to Dooley. That is the reality. Telling youths about you really can just turn around your life. Better only tell them don't go down that road in the first place. A cure una talk about. A prevention me a talk about. Man will bleach and wait 10, 20. That's why I'm telling you, so enough of people them want to see a skin off teeth now. Laugh now, but you will cry later. If you think the bag of blood and tears want to make run, I go just go so all it needs is one relative who not believe in the forgiveness. Sis mother go tell us, yes, but God forgive him. Well, his enemies didn't. The people them a Marchpen Road them kill off the whole them family of the triple murder, they didn't. I tell them all the time. I have no problem with a man believing what he want to believe. Every man entitled to believe in whichever God he want to believe in. Right? Whichever religion he want to take up. But the man who come kill you, him no must believe in that neither. While the stories of redemption and turning around lives are all great and we love those movies and it's inspiring and all that, understand this. The people them where you hurt, them no business about none of that. The 15 woman where you hold on and dry in a bush at gunpoint and force yourself on them. When you go turn pastor, when you go get one work and turn your life around, you only need one. You only need one out of the 15 for the side say. Shall get for your own. One of the big appeals to religion, and this might have to be a separate video. People love the idea, especially Irish Saxons, love the idea that you can do anything when you want to and then say, God forgive me, and then go heaven. You see, enough of these pastors not teaching the people them when they teach them. They might preach, but them not teach. Guy, the idea say you can do everything and anything, and then when you feel like time I catch up on you, just turn everything around and go heaven. Understand, so there's consequences for your action. Yes, you can ask for forgiveness and all that, but there's consequences for your action. Things will catch up on you same way. Things will catch up on you same way. And even the law show you that. Because if you rob one man at gunpoint and shot him and kill him Monday, and then the following Sunday you get baptized and say, God forgive me, me change, and you even if you mean it, police still come for you the following Monday. And when you go court, the law doesn't say, well, God forgive him, so we will too. Nothing no go so. So even the law doesn't overlook what you do based on your quote unquote change. Even the law doesn't forgive you for what you do. The law still sends you to prison even if you converted to Christianity while being on remand. So the law not forgive you for what you do. Now imagine outlaw. Come on, guy. If there is no place in the law where say you can hold on Michelle, tear off her clothes and have your way with her, black and blue her eye them with your gun butt, and then go baptize the next day. The law does not say, well, him baptize the next day and him change him life, and he mean it, cause let's assume say he mean it. So he mean it, him really sorry, and him really want forgiveness and all that. You still go to jail. The best the judge might do is take off for 1 or 2 years. But there's still consequences for your action. This idea say you can just give your life to God and wipe the slate clean, that applies on the religious side. That applies in the spiritual sense. In the physical sense, you will get gunshot in your kin. Same here. In the spiritual world, that works. In the physical world, Michael Spencer, I don't know the man, but I'm going to give him the benefit of the doubt. Michael Spencer turned his life around. He even try and encourage other youths to be like him. Instead, now he's an example to youths as to why they can't become stationary. Because I'm going to say, you see what reach Spencer? Him did both him turn life around and change it. See man them spread him out like a gleaner page. So when the pastor say, Killy, come to church every Sunday, man say you're mad. For the man them start track my movements, because that is what is going to happen. I tell them, I say, these programs are not talk about. All of a sudden, everybody start throw around the social intervention. A long time we are see them something there. A long time we are test them theory there. A long time we are make call and I say, yo, we have one youth that say, you might try, you want to change when you can't put him on a little. Alright, him say, you want to get a look at this and go over this. Alright, make him start going this. Right. Within no time, the man then kill him. Because you see, oh, my work over here, so now him that factory. Alright, I could just be at a factory gate. That's how badness work, guy. We will not deal with cure or prevention, me I deal with. So when you start tell man about you change your life, or I've done my time, again, how that bring back my granny? Well, you know, I did my time and I paid my debt to society. So I'm just going to move on with my life. So how that bring back my daughter? That's how man I look on it, guy. People exaggerate how notorious they were to oversell the redemption story. Well, I used to be this and I used to be that guy. We not talk about you. We not talk about take up a little one thing and I follow back on some friend. We are talking about notorious 87s. We are talking about man we have 30, 40 people. 30, 40 different families. Right? Still and more to this day. All it take. Let's do some maths. I'm going to show you the odds against you, guy. And why this. Oh, let me just go take up badness and let me just change my life after. Let me show you why that's a bad idea. Let's say you're an 87 and you kill 20 people. That's 20 families. The average Jamaican family. Have you ever heard of a Jamaican family when they have at least 30 people in it? We're talking about the brothers and the sisters and the uncles and the aunties and the cousins. Let's just be really stingy and say 30. We know the number is way bigger. But just for argument's sake, we say 30. So you have 20 victims, 20 families. Each family have 30 people in it. That's 600 people. Devastated. You decide, say, you're going to join one church or you're going to join the mosque. You're going to join the synagogue. You're going to join Bobo. You're going to link the man in my Bobo Hill. Right? You're turning on your life. Life turn around for real too. You mean it. Life turn around. Out of that 600, remember we not include friends, you know. We not include work colleagues, you know. Just family alone, 600 people. Have it out for you. All you need is one out of the 600, and dog, Miami, that is super. Now when you factor in that the average Jamaican family don't have no 30 people. And then when you add in friends, when you add in neighbors, when you add in friend after friend, because sometimes, let me explain something to you guy. Sometimes a man is dead, you know. And him own a family no want to pursue it, you know. But them have some friend who say, yo, you must be mad that can't go so. And them will do things on behalf of that family, and the family not send them gun away. Guy, you think badness a joke? When you watch too much show. Michael Spencer learned the hard way. Guy, this is why 87s don't join in the program and don't want to join in the church. It's not because none of them no want to turn around in life. It's not because none of them know. Enough man fed up with badness and tired. But guy, you reap what you sow. And them know say them sow death and destruction and it is coming for them. And how is it going to reach them? The moment they become predictable. And how does somebody get predictable? When them join church and when them start work. Because everybody know where the church there and everybody know where the workplace there. They know if to find you. They know if to sit down and study you. Unfortunate story, but this is the reality. Look out for more videos, you know. I have some video I dropped this week. The circus I miss play out on the stage with Marky Saxon and the PNP. And I know some can't make that pass. Can't make that pass. Plus, Oris Chan come out and make some statements regarding how much 87 them are watching and out. 2/3 step on this and that. I'm going to show you the mathematics of murder. I'm going to show you how 300 man, 400 man can keep it on top of the murder charges. I'm going to show you 300, 400 man can make a country of 3 million stay on top of the murder charge. I tell them say it's not. No thousands and thousands of youths are trying food in the belly. That's why murder so high. That is nonsense. Now we see the maths. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.